What's up guys, for today's video I got a couple of Pickaroons, long handle and short handle. This is nice and sharp tip, and also I got right here Fiskars and a shorter one, Fiskars. This one's super light compared to these two because actual handle is very heavy. So check this out. Why would you need a smaller Pickaroon? In case you grabbing it maybe not from the ground but from somewhat maybe waist down and moving it into the truck, you grab the shorter ones once you run out and you need to lift it up from the bottom and throw it higher. You can use this one. So let's see how it works. So what it's for whenever you need to pick up a bunch of firewood, you grab it like that, lift it over, set it up. This is a really big ones. Also you can go to the side like that. This is a nice skinny tip, easy to go in to where it's not going to fall in. So to the side. Wow, it doesn't stick as well. Let's try to do Fiskars. Oh wow, Fiskars is a lot lighter, way easier to swing. So let's load it up. Look at that. To the side, there's a big load. What'd you say? Yeah, it gets in deep. So that's nice. Fiskars all the way for me. Look at that. Grabbed it, moved it over. What'd you say? You don't like it that I'm taking his logs away. But as you can see, the logs on the ground, that's why I kind of like using this longer handle ones. If let's say I need to unload it, I'll probably get a shorter one, go away, and grab it like that. And if I need to set it up somewhere waist high, I'll set it up like this. Same thing, if I'm grabbing it from waist height, I'll grab a shorter one, put it on, and put it over right here. Boom. So that's what it is. Depends what you're working at. If it's on the floor, I don't want to bend over and grab a new one. So let's say this one is on the floor, I'd have to bend over, grab it, and then put it like that. So it's not as comfortable. But also, you can grab it like that and put it over. So many uses. The short one, you grab it, lift it. You see? So it depends what you're using it for. Okay, one more over here. But guess what guys, Fiskars, it's way sharper edge than this two, and I thought this would be better, but the handle is so much heavier, so swinging it is not as easy as this one. This one is like kind of like slow motion in a way compared to this way, because you gotta bounce the weight. Look at it go, try to climb everything. What's doing? They like all my tools. And there's one more piece right here. You can grab it and drag it if it's too heavy. So many uses for this thing. And then just take it out. From this end, this is just too thick of a log. But yeah, makes sense, right? Grab it, let's see, lift it and unload it. It's just too full now. Beautiful, all the way. This is the best tool. One more time, just to compare it, see how it feels. Yeah, way heavier tool. Also works. So if I have to pick between two, I'll go with Fiskars, but this is a nice tool too. I still enjoy the trampoline a lot. I just put that to mesh surf on them from all those bugs and stuff. But yeah, Pickaroons, very good tools. Even if you go with these ones, if you do a lot of firewood, must have. Man, he's sniffing me non-stop. Okay, whenever you're ready to unload it, maybe right now that I'm so up high here, I'll use a little one. Little one don't get stuck as much because you don't have as much leverage. And then I just stuck it up on this little thing. Grab it, set it up. Especially whenever there's a taller stack, so that way I can use two hands. But right now there is not too much of a taller stack. I could still use one of these things. Just grab it like that, use two hands, and then just take it off. It gets stuck in there really good. Use two hands like this. That way I don't have to bend over. Now let's say we have a little bit higher stack. I could use one of this and just get it stuck. And you see I don't have to bend over already from the cart to the stack. So this is why you do sometimes when I have a short one and easily maybe reset it. Fiscals all the way better. You want to put it lower, boom, don't have to bend over. Couple more. Nice. There you go. Ready to be split. So, if you ask me, Fiscals all the way. Lighter handle and so much easier and more control swinging it and stopping it. Most important in case you miss or bounce off, you don't want to hit your foot. It's sharp.